Welcome to the channel. I'm the Swedish Hillbilly and this is my Massey Ferguson BX 50 backhoe. And currently we are working in my great grandfather's old log cabin or logging cabin, and clean up a lot of rocks and stumps. So the goal for today is to get the backhoe out because winter is coming, all the leaves are gone and we're just waiting for snow, I guess. Want to clean up this area as I move away from it, clean up this area in front of the house, and then clean up especially this part of the road up to there, and then get the backhoe up on the road again, because I need to go to my brother's place and move some stuff for him. Yeah, so that's the goal for today. If you're new to the channel, I have a playlist with Massey Ferguson from when we got down to the Fallen to get it and drove it home, all to mechanics doing stuff to get it to work, learning how to drive it, and up to this date. I've been driving this for, I don't know, 8-10 weekends now, full working days, Saturday, so I'm starting to get the hang of it, and it works great. We have some issues with it, but nothing major, so I'm happy about that. And I also have a playlist for snowcat driving, and what else, mechanics, yeah, do building stuff. Everything is in my channel, so you're welcome to watch. So today I'm going to start by doing some hand labor and just cleaning up all the loose roots before I get in with the backhoe and clean this up. So, and then we're going to look at the backhoe, and then we're going to look over the backhoe, because I noticed last time I had a hard time getting the locking bracket for the quick coupler to stay put. And when I edited the film, I saw that the thing that was making it tilt forward out of position and lose the springs, it's because the hydraulic locking mechanism is gone, because that is what keeps the bracket still. And I lost that 2 episodes ago, I think. So that's in the cab now, and because it's in the cab and not on the quick coupler, the bracket falls freely forward and then the springs come out. So that hit me when I was doing the editing, so I'm gonna look a bit on that. But yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so let's see what kind of a mood she's in today. Nice. What kind of flies are those? Oh. Looks nice. Yeah, so the hydraulic release for the quick coupler sits here in, with a bolt through that hole, and hold this bracket in place. You can see it's spring loaded there. So when I released the bucket, this plate fell forward and lost the springs. But now the springs are there, and I need to refit that hydraulic release mechanism there with a bolt, just so we can secure this bracket. So otherwise I don't think I have a whole lot of problem. Let's see if we got fuel. And yes, almost up to the top. I need to remember that next time. But now we are good. We are not going to do too much work here. And coolant is low, but we know that. It will be better when the engine is hot. Just check that. Slightly over the full mark, but we have quite a lean going on, so that is not a problem. And now flats. Let's see. And there's the piece that should be bolted on the quick coupler. So we need to remember where we kept that. Let's see, we have 8 degrees Celsius today, so we are just going to hit it. Contact? No problem. Let me set you up so you can watch. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I had some problems getting up and down here, and I was actually considering the mature adult way to do this and not take the backhoe down here again, but you know. So let's see if we can get the backhoe out and up on the road and home, and yeah. So this is the end result for this year, for the winter. So it's still kind of rough here, but we'll fix it when it's a bit drier. Starting to get wet and I'm starting to lose traction. I had a slight mishap on the other slope there, but yeah, super happy. So this is something to a base to work on next year, so that'll be fun. Let's see if we can get up this hill. It doesn't look much on camera, but I promise you that's not fun. It's steep. Oh, take two. Okay, take three. Okay. Okay, so the backhoe is back up on the road again. I'm actually a bit relieved by that because it was starting to get wet and I starting to lose traction. So yeah, I'm very glad that I'm on the road again. So I'm gonna prepare this for transportation. Need to put the transportation locks, both this pin that locks the boom from slowly going down, and then these are for your left and right swing so that the bucket stays put behind the backhoe. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching, if you have been watching all the way to this, and please subscribe, like and all that. It helps the channel a lot, and I'm very thankful and happy about all you who subscribe. So thank you again, and see you on the next one.